In an extensive security operation across Manipur's hill and valley districts, authorities launched targeted search operations and area domination exercises in sensitive and fringe areas. These efforts led to significant recoveries from Agejang village and Uyok Nala in Vishnupur's district. Seized items included a notable cache of weaponry and riot control equipment, one SLR rifle, one sniper rifle, two bolt-action rifles, a 9mm pistol with an empty magazine, 5 HE number 36 hand grenades, 18 rounds of live ammunition, 3 wood-piercing tear smoke cells, 4 anti-riot rubber bullets, 3 tear smoke shells, 5 soft-nose tear smoke shells, 2 stun grenades, 2 tear smoke grenades, a WT set, 3 bulletproof jackets, and 2 plastic sacks. To ensure uninterrupted supply of essential goods, a convoy of 143 vehicles on National Highway 37 and 14 vehicles on National Highway 2 received strict security coverage. Security forces also reinforced their presence with 111 strategically placed checkpoints throughout Manipur's districts. 5 individuals were detained in connection with checkpoint violations, underscoring the increased vigilance in these areas. In a related crackdown on illegal activities, Manipur police raided suspected sites producing and distributing DIC, distilled Indian-made liquor, in Churachandpur district. The operations conducted on November 4 targeted a clandestine brewing site of K. Wangfai village, where 2 individuals were apprehended and 4-wheeler vehicle was seized. Another raid at LFC Inn uncovered a large quantity of illegal liquor, including approximately 1,500 liters of DIC liquor and 500 cans of beer, which were promptly disposed of.